We breathe oxygen in the air and give out carbon dioxide. And with the help of carbon dioxide, the plants make their food with the help of photosynthesis process. And also the winds that helps to transport water from the oceans to the continents in the form of rain, and with the help of that rocks are eroded, and the eroded material will be formed as the soil. We are growing different kinds of crops in that soil. So all these processes are done in atmosphere. Let's know the wonderful thing. Atmosphere, the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth, is atmosphere. It is a sea of gases surrounding the earth, and we can say it as a very thin blanket of gases surrounding the earth also. It is about 1,000 kilometers thick, and it is composed of many gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other small percent of gases like argon, neon, methane, ammonia, ozone, etc. Major gases are oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Oxygen, it is 21% in volume, nitrogen, it is 78%, and carbon dioxide, it is only 0.03% by volume. Atmosphere, it has not only gases, it has fine dust particles also. These dust particles are called as particulates. The particulates are formed by the natural process and the human activities. For example, by the sandstorms over the deserts and the natural forest fires, and from human activities like burning forests and burning petroleum, and with the emissions of industries. These particulates may be beneficial for life sometimes, and sometimes they cause problems by altering the temperature and the rainfall patterns. And we can see the beautiful bright orange sunrise or sunset. This is caused by the particulates, and it is possible for making hailstones or rainfall with the help of these particulates. But sometimes it is difficult for the people to breathe. They can settle on the leaves of the plants, so it is difficult for the photosynthesis process. Structure of the atmosphere. Atmosphere, it has various layers with different compositions. Based on the chemical compositions, we can divide the atmosphere into two broad layers. One is homosphere. Its height is 90 kilometers. It consists of three layers. These are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. And it has uniform composition of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and argon. And heterosphere, the layer is above 90 kilometers of homosphere, and it has heterogeneous different composition of gases, and it has two layers, thermosphere and exosphere. And there is another categorization based on the density and temperature. We can divide them as troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Troposphere, it has 13 kilometers average height, and roughly the height is 8 kilometers near the poles and 18 kilometers near the equator. Near the equator it is more because the heat is transported greater heights by the strong convectional currents, and at the poles the air is sinking 75% of total gaseous mass is contained in this layer, and the total weather changes are occurred in this layer. For example, condensation, evaporation, precipitation, etc. And the temperature is decreased when we go higher. This is called as the normal lapse rate. Stratosphere. It is extended up to a height of 50 kilometers. This layer is free from clouds, so it is ideal for flying the jet aircrafts. And it has ozone layer also. It is protecting us from the ultraviolet rays. And here the temperature is increased when we go higher. Mesosphere. It is extended up to a height of 80 kilometers. And when meteorites enter into the layer from the space, automatically they will be burnt up. The temperature is again decreased with the increase of altitude. Thermosphere. It is extended up to 400 kilometers, and the temperature is increased rapidly with increase in height. And it has also ions. These are electrically charged particles. So this layer is also called ionosphere. The radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by these ions.
Exosphere. It is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. It is the highest layer. We know very little about it.